Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today we're going to explore Samsung Smart Refrigerator. Now this refrigerator is a fine work of technology. Samsung introduces its new smart convertible 2-in-1 refrigerator which can be converted from freezer to fridge, giving you 88 liters of extra fridge space. For this, all you've got to do is press the freezer fridge convert button for 3 seconds. The smart convertible refrigerator comes with the world's first dual fan technology. Now this allows independent temperature control of the freezer and the fridge with 2 separate fans. This lets you convert your freezer to a fridge in virtually no time. Another benefit of smart conversion is that while you're using all the space in the fridge mode, you can save a whole lot of energy. Moving on, the power freeze and power cool feature comes in play when you require faster cooling and freezing. Now, be it a family reunion or a chirpy evening with friends, ice cubes are always in demand. Samsung Smart Refrigerator Power Freeze feature allows up to 31% faster ice making, thus conveniently reducing the waiting time for you. In addition, the Samsung Twist Ice Maker is easy to use. A simple twist is all you need to dispense ice cubes. This refrigerator comes with the digital inverter technology. It automatically manages the compressor speed in response to the cooling demand across 7 different levels. This in turn makes sure that energy consumption always stays at minimum. For smooth functioning, this technology reduces noise and makes your refrigerator more durable. Samsung Smart Refrigerator's all-round cooling ensures every inch of the fridge is cooled evenly. Cold air is blown through multiple outlets at every shelf, maintaining an even and constant temperature from top to bottom, ensuring your food stays fresh longer. Samsung's Moist Fresh Zone is a smartly designed drawer that provides an optimal environment for storing perishable food. A tight seal prevents moisture from escaping when humidity levels are low, and a vent releases excess moisture when humidity levels are too high. Another super cool feature of the Samsung Smart Refrigerator is the Fresh Room. The Fresh Room is a cooler compartment that ensures freshness even when you open the fridge door often. It's the ideal place to keep green salad and dairy food like cheese. Now, nobody likes a stinky fridge. Samsung Smart Refrigerator comes with a built-in natural fiber deodorizing filter that eliminates bad smell. That apart, it prevents the original flavor of food and aroma for a longer time. This happens as the air is continuously passed through activated carbon filters, ensuring strong odors are removed. Now, power cuts are common in India. You need a refrigerator that can tackle this problem effectively. This refrigerator is enabled to work even when there's a power cut in the house, thanks to its Smart Connect inverter feature. Now, gone are the days when your home inverter could only light a bulb or spin a fan. Now, it can also power this refrigerator. This refrigerator also lives true to its word. It can easily operate in high voltage fluctuations, eliminating the need for a separate stabilizer. Now, we all know reaching into a refrigerator often means shifting and adjusting a bunch of food items. But the Easy Slide shelf here is built on rolling hinges that pull out easily so that you can efficiently organize and easily access your food items. It also allows you to easily spot what you've stored in the back of the refrigerator. Samsung has made sure that this refrigerator is smart on the hardware level too. It has a Twist Ice Maker, a big bottle guard, and toughened glass shelves which can hold up to 150 kgs of weight. This machine also has LED lighting on the inside. The LED light is much slimmer than the conventional light and efficiently reduces power consumption. Located right at the top, it brilliantly illuminates the entire refrigerator. Samsung has put quite a lot of effort to make this refrigerator look premium. It comes with a stylish recessed handle and a sleek digital display panel. The digital display has an array of controls at your fingertips, like temperature adjustment, power cool, and more. Now, oftentimes we forget to shut the refrigerator door. The Samsung Smart Refrigerator alerts you with its fridge door alarm. This helps you to save electricity and there's no risk of food getting spoiled. The Samsung Smart Refrigerator has a 3-star rating. This means this model is energy efficient and saves electricity and is low on running cost. Samsung has also got you covered for any future contingencies. This refrigerator comes with a 10-year warranty that gives you true peace of mind. So friends, here goes my final word. This Samsung Smart Refrigerator is smart in every aspect. The digital inverter feature makes this fridge the ultimate power saver. Features like Power Cool and Power Freeze have made this fridge a brilliant choice. The stabilizer-free option turns this fridge into a standalone hero, and Samsung's 10-year warranty is really the cherry on top. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. Let us bring to your doorstep quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all products, and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect bye.